In front of me is Honor 8X Max, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it using Bluetooth. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Device Connectivity. Then select Bluetooth and click on this switcher to activate it. Following that, wait for available devices to show, and when they do, click on the chosen one. Then select Pair in the pop-up and make sure the other device has your connection request. Then you need to wait for it to connect or accept it on the second device. As you can see, in the couple of seconds, my devices were successfully connected. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!